are Team Phoenix. We present about one of the most famous website, Labai.lk. Labai.lk is an e-commerce website and a retail shop which was established in 2012 by Mr. M.I.A. Rahman and Mr. M.A.M. Akhtar. They sell household, kitchenware, babywear and electronic products, but mostly kitchenware and household products. They deliver the products island-wide. Their retail shop open Monday to Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. and in Saturdays up to 4 o'clock. How is their business model? Their business model is B2C, which means they sell their products directly to the customers. It has the characteristics of retailer model B2C business because Labai.lk use internet as a medium for customers to shop their goods. How would be their value proposition? When it comes to customers' value proposition of Labai.lk, we were able to recognize primary value proposition as well as 3 kinds of secondary value propositions. Labai.lk's primary value proposition can be specified as their attractive refund and 7-day product return policy. According to them, there is a refund period of 7 days and they are ready to accept the customer's product returns when complete shipment arrives broken or damaged, when product does not match key features in online description, and when the product is sent in the wrong style or wrong quality. In the above cases, they will never be asked to pay any hidden penalty fees, surcharges or return shipping fees from their customers. As well as they clearly say that refunds can only be made back to the card used to make the payment. And in those conditions, the customers have to check the statement after 7 to 10 working days to find the refund. If the refund doesn't appear after 10 days, the company management asks customers to email immediately to support@labai.lk email address. When considering the secondary value proposition, basically there are 3 types. First one is their product provide a better customer care service through fun and friendly staff and offering the brand new products delivering to any part of the country. Second one is they use secured online payment system like WebExPay and Dialog Genie to attract more customers to their online business by ensuring the security of the customer payments. And the third value proposition in Labai.lk act as an information-rich website and Facebook page rather than the other online retail websites. Now you can see how Labai.lk has organized their web page, including all the information along with specific categories, as the customer get the ability for a better online experience.
When we talk about the revenue model of the Labai.lk, it mostly follows the sales revenue model. Labai.lk is exclusively dedicated to sell household and kitchenware range products only. Bakeware and cookware, kitchenware, personal and healthcare and baby care are some of the categories they offer in their business. So they get revenue through selling these products over the internet to the customers. Labai.lk don't depend only on sales revenue model. It has another revenue model, that is affiliate revenue model. Labai.lk allows other parties to sell their products to Labai.lk website. When these products ordered by customers, then Labai.lk keep the sales income. The product's real owner will get a commission payment. Labai.lk offer 4.5% commission on every item to the other party when they sell their product through the Labai.lk. Now let's move on to the marketplace of Labai.lk. They have a physical retail location beside their e-commerce business platform. The venue is number 109 Stace Road, Grand Pass, Colombo. But mainly their business transactions happen through their website www.labai.lk and their Facebook page. When considering their market size, it's niche marketing with narrowly defined customer group who are willing to buy household and kitchenware products. Customers pay their premium to them when the products satisfy their needs. Their target market geographically distributed island-wide customers who are with the need of buying household and kitchen equipment. The target customer group consisted with both male and female who are above 18 to adults. The customers who have middle and high income are targeted by them. Now let's see the competitors of this business.
Now we see about competitors in Labai.lk. Every business has competitors. The business who sells some product categories to some customer group as same as Labai.lk become competitors in market space. Here are some of the competitive online business who compete this company. They are mystore.lk, myshop.lk, mydeal.lk, vasi.lk and daras.lk. When comparing this website with labai.lk, their pricing offers even look similar. If we talk about the competitive advantage of labai.lk, they sell their product reasonable price rather than their competitors. By low pricing method, they have made huge customer base around them. Labai.lk has been established in the market since 2020 and they ensure customer service what they exactly were shown and promised on the website. From this, Labai.lk could establish trust between their customers other than their competitors. Also, Labai.lk delivers product island-wide with the option to pay cash on delivery. They have fun and dynamic team rather than their competitors. Also, they have superior custom care service to help customers. One of the special thing about Labai.lk is they have won several awards. They are Best Web Merit Awards 2013, Readme.lk Merit Awards 2013, Best Web Merit Awards 2014 and Best Web Merit Awards 2015. So they attract more customers rather than their competitors. Let's see about marketing strategy.
Here are the marketing strategy they use. This company gives us that best quality for the best price when it comes to household and kitchen items. The Labai.lk is always trying to give special offer to their customers, especially price discount offer to product. Their retail company give their selling items detail like how to use, how it new features with selling price. Therefore, customers can easily find product details. It can attract more customers. They introduce differentiated product for customers to have attention. Labai.lk giving 1 year warranty for some production. For some product item, Labai.lk give a extra item free of charge for us.
Okay, now we focus on the e-commerce presence of Labai.lk. Labai.lk is recognized basically as an online business platform and it needs to use some e-commerce modes to reach their customers. So they use their own website and Facebook page. And this is the website of Labai.lk. This is a currently updated website with so many trending products. The customers can choose the products they want from the well-organized main menu and easily can aware of all the product information without wasting time. Further, they use social media through a Facebook page to reach the customers. Now you can see the Facebook page of Labai.lk. The customers can connect to the Facebook page and buy the needed products, and the Facebook page publish the videos that how the products work for the convenience of customers. So accordingly, these online modes are help to promote their business among the customers, as well as company can improve the business by gaining the advantage of the online information, such as observing the customer search histories, buying patterns, and the customer feedbacks. When it comes to the payment systems at Labai.lk, there are so many payment systems. First one is the customer can deposit the invoice amount to one of their bank accounts after the customers should confirm with them by call, email, WhatsApp or Facebook. Then they will deliver the goods as soon as the customers verify their payment. Especially, they use Amana Easy Payment plans as payment option, as well as customers can pay through cash on delivery. When it comes to the online payment, they accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, EasyCash, Mcash and Sampath Vishwa. All payments online are processed by Dialog Genie and WebEx Pay. Also that if you are paying from outside the country, or if they have a doubt in the transaction with relation to the ownership, they may ask for more details for verification purposes. As well as the customers can visit their office and make the payment via cash or card. So this is the all of about this Labai.lk as online business platform. Thank you for watching our video.